In this page, which is the number 5, you can just continue, go ahead with the pagination of the layout. Just repeat what you have done. In this page, I have 2 text frame in the same page, so I will apply the body text style no indent. And I'm going to apply the paragraph style, the medium italic for the name of the people, and also the bold for the name of the font. Okay, now I want to import the images related to this page. And I can select 2 images at once, holding down the Shift key while I'm selecting, so I can import more than one page with a single command. Also here I've seen that this picture doesn't really fit my layout, so I have a little idea. I want to divide this picture. I can do this also in Photoshop, which is honestly is the best option. But in my case, in order to be faster, I'm copy and paste these images, and then I'm managing these images independently one to each other. I'm doing this because the background of the image is white, which is exactly the same of my page. So this sometimes it is possible, is not possible every single time. Sometimes you need to edit your picture by Photoshop. If you press W on your keyboard, you can have a look how the image look like. Also here, I want to import more than one image in one time. So I'm holding down the Shift key, I'm selecting the picture I want to import. And since I have too much white between the two A's, I'm creating a copy of the same picture. In this case, I'm doing the copy holding down this image and dragging, holding down the Alt key over the keyboard. Then I'm panning the image inside its own frame. So in this page, I see that the text, the leading between the text is too high for my taste. Usually I set the leading of the title smaller, and then in this case I'm redefine again the title style in order to be consistent also with the other pages. Also I'm going to import the picture. Again, I'm making this picture bigger, just dragging from the corner, holding down Command and Shift.